Hi Blum fans! Did you know that Blum's electrical motion support system is very popular in Germany, USA and South Korea? SERVO-DRIVE has been making life easier in the kitchen since 2006 and is available for box and runner systems. SERVO-DRIVE Uno as a single application for the waste bin pull-out, and SERVO-DRIVE Flex for integrated fridges and freezers or dishwashers. Blum has now completely updated the system. The electronics of all drive units have been revised and operability improved. New features include adjustable trigger sensitivity and visual LED feedback, indicating the correct installation depth. The new version of SERVO-DRIVE offers maximum convenience and was presented for the first time here at Interzoom 2025. The system's low power consumption is also worth mentioning, which is significantly below the EU standard in standby mode. What's more, the synchronization of multiple SERVO-DRIVE units has been simplified. I'm really into electrical motion support. Once you have it, you never want to be without it. So talk with your Blum contact about it. Take care, Tony.